welcome back to another episode from me, your sis Tam Kam. So in today's video, I'll be trying out my first ever Mielle Organics Deep Conditioner. It's a little weird to me that I have yet to try any of Mielle Organics Deep Conditioners, and I did try other products such as the Hawaiian RX Moisture line as well as the pomegranate line, but I have not yet tried a deep conditioner, which I'm just like, how did I not try deep conditioner all this time when deep conditioners are like the most favorite things I like to use from anybody's collection? And the deep conditioner that I'll be using is the classic Babassu and Mint Deep Conditioner. So that's the one I'll be using today. So I already freshly washed my hair, did all of that jazz. So we are going to go ahead and start off with this bad boy. So the Mielle Babassu and Mint Deep Conditioner is a protein and moisture replenisher for dry and damaged hair to restore protein and balance for moisture and growth, and it's for all hair types. Now this is an 8 fluid ounce container, and I actually got this during Black Friday when they had all of their products for $5, because you know I cannot beat that type of sale. So I was like, let me go ahead and try one of these classic deep conditioners, because I have been hearing a whole lot of great things about this classic one. So I was like, let me snag it for $5. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and read a little bit about this deep conditioner on the back of here, just so we can learn about some information of this Babassu and Mint Deep Conditioner. So our Babassu Oil Mint Deep Conditioner infuses hair with protein and moisture to restore dry and damaged hair. Our product is enriched with fatty acid and natural oils to help reduce frizz and flyaways. This deep penetrating conditioner is made with complex amino acid from wheat, soy, and other natural ingredients that help restore moisture to damaged and dry hair. Safe to use on color treated, that's me, color treated hair, and made with certified organic ingredients. Okay, so it says after shampooing, section hair to 4. Apply our deep conditioner to clean damp hair from root to ends. Cover with a plastic cap for 15 minutes. And for more intense treatments, sit underneath the dryer for 30 minutes and rinse hair with cool water and style as desired. So I'm definitely going to leave this deep conditioner in my hair for 30 minutes because that's how I always like to leave my deep conditioners in. At least 30 minutes to an hour at least. So we're going to do 30 minutes today. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with this back section. Like I said, it's already freshly washed and everything. Now I'm going to just go ahead and section this back section into 2 sections just so I can evenly distribute this product throughout my strand. Alright, so let's see what this conditioner is working with. So they have a seal on here. I have not used it at all. We're going to use it together. It actually smells good. It has a little bit of that minty smell, but not a lot, because I definitely do not like a lot of mint smells at all. Like peppermint and all that is too strong for me. So this is what the consistency actually looks like. Ooh, it's even coming out of the container almost. So this is what it's looking like. Ooh, baby. All right. All right. We're gonna put that back in here. So this looks like it's gonna be phenomenal. Like the consistency, I love when stuff freaking spills out of the container like that. Like, I'm excited. So I'm just gonna use the amount that's sitting on this lid right here. So this is what it's really like. It's a really creamy base. So we're gonna just apply that here from the roots. It definitely feels like it has a lot of water in this deep conditioner. It is not thick at all, but it's not like super duper thin like a water either. I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle with my tangle teaser. But it feels really good on my hair for sure. So I'm just going to twist each section into a 2-strand twist, just so I can easily go throughout my entire hair. And just look at my hair. Look at them girls. Definition. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my hair and then we will be back, okay? Okay, so I'm done applying the deep conditioner on my entire head. And I use a good bit of the deep conditioner. I feel like this container I use maybe about 30%. So I probably can use this for 2 more uses, if not like 2.5-ish. It applied on really nicely, really smooth. And I really feel like my hair is gonna feel good once this heat get involved. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my shower cap. And then I'm gonna go ahead and sit underneath my dryer for 30 minutes. I usually use my thermal hot head, as y'all been watching me lately. I don't know, have I been doing deep conditioners? But I usually been using my thermal hot head for my deep conditioners, but I can't find it right now. So we're gonna just go back to this throwback bonnet dryer. Oof, all right. Alright, so I plugged the hose up to here. And we are going to go ahead and sit underneath here for 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm done deep conditioning my hair for 30 minutes, sitting underneath this dryer. Okay, so as you can tell, a lot of the product actually penetrated my strands. Like, you don't even see the product up here at all. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and go rinse this deep conditioner out, and then we're gonna go ahead and talk about how my hair feels and my final thoughts about this Mielle Babassu and Mint deep conditioner. Okay, I gotta show y'all this. Look at this. Ooh, y'all, look at, sis. You would have thought that I did like low-key a wash and go just now with rinsing my hair. Like, y'all, I had to show y'all this. Like, my hair never looked so defined after deep conditioning ever. Like, look at, you would have thought I did like a freaking wash and go or something. Look at this. Sis, this is all right, this is gonna be my new bae. My hair feels soft for sure. It feels moisturized for sure. For $5, even though it was on sale, I think maybe the regular price is, don't quote me, but no more than $12 probably, because Mielle Organics never have expensive product, which is why I love them so much. For this to be $5 and have my hair looking like this, sis, I have bought 2 of these, and I'm glad that I bought 2. My mama always told me, if something is on sale, buy 2, because you do not know if you're going to love it or not, okay? Now, when it comes to clothes, she always tell me, you know, you can always return and think about it at home, but you know, I can't do that with this. But I'm glad that I got 2, because this hair is flourishing. Look at these curls, y'all. You can't tell me nothing. So the Babassu mint conditioner is a yes for me. I love the fact that it's not a whole lot of mint, because like I said, I do not like a whole lot of mint in my products. I do love a little bit of the tingling sensation that it does have, but I have tried products in the past, like other brands, where they just overdid the peppermint or the mint that was in the product, and I really felt like my hair was on flames, and I was not like for that. But this has like just enough mint in it for me to love. Like, I don't even feel like a tingling sensation right now since I washed my hair out. But yes, this product is definitely a yes. And if you have not tried this product already, I highly suggest trying this product, since this is an old school product. I'm a little late, but it don't matter, I got it now. So if you have tried this product and you like this product, go ahead and let me know down in the comment box below and tell me your thought on this product, what you like and what you don't like about this product. And if you did enjoy this review video, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up. And if you have not already, go ahead and click the red subscribe button down below and turn it gray and hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button so you can be notified every single time I post a new video. Bye guys.